My name is Olivia Lewis, and my topic is life on land because I think it's important to take care of the land we are given and live on. It is important to protect our land because our food grows on this land. If we do not take care of the animals that provide us food on our land and other things in our ecosystems, we may not have the nice land we have. My global goal is Goal 15, Life on Land. Life on land includes protecting ecosystems, restoring land due to things that have harmed it, and keeping the land we grow food on. Another way to help our environment is to learn how to spot and stop poachers. Poaching is illegal and it causes decline of species. Poaching also disrupts ecosystems. When we have many animals in our ecosystems, it creates biodiversity, and it's crucial to have an ecosystem. Wildfires may cause species to lose their homes. Wildfires can also cause species to die out due to them not being able to adapt to the new environment. Overall, areas that have been affected by wildfires can be difficult to live in due to the continuous smoke and toxic waste hazards. Deforestation. Deforestation also forces animals to lose their habitats. Some animals might have trouble adapting to the new environment due to the removal of trees. When trees are removed due to deforestation, a drought is more likely to appear because the trees cannot release what they store into the atmosphere. If there are no trees due to deforestation, then the trees cannot produce CO2. Then nature will not be able to fight climate change. Trees play a big role with filtering and catching dust and pollutants to make the air cleaner. Trees are also used to create civilization for indigenous people. That is why it's important to see how deforestation affects environments. Biodiversity matters because allowing more than one species to be in an environment creates more food and more populations of species in that environment. The way our ecosystems work run off the amount of biodiversity there is. Pollution on Earth. Pollution is a big problem we see every day in any environment. The littering of chemicals, pesticides, and more can harm out crops and soil that we grow our animals on and plants on. When we allow hazardous waste to pile up, our environment worsens. Land pollution also causes animals to lose their home due to unsafe standards. Once a certain area is affected, animals can become infected and poisoned. How are animals affected? Animals are always affected by harmful things happening in our environment. Taking away land from a whole ecosystem can allow species that can survive to invade that area. When negative effects happen to our global goal 15, life on land, we see certain animal species go extinct. Possible solutions local. There are a few solutions we can do locally to support community gardens and protect our local parks. It is important to protect our environment locally. Protecting our local parks is a big one. Possible solutions globally. Some solutions that are global that we can do to help life on land is practice things such as protecting our forest and try to prevent land degradation and use natural resources responsibly. We can also support international laws and organizations working to stop poaching. We can also donate to organizations like UN's REDD Plus program, which funds forest preservation in developing countries.